Hello everyone, this is Muskan Ninglani and welcome back to Hoiko. Today I will be teaching you about one more really important function of Hoiko, and that is column visibility. For that you will have to open up any of your boards right there like I have done, and go on the table form of it. There are different views, as you know. So table form is very handy to work with, and these are the rows. Everyone knows these are the rows and these are the columns. So these are the columns that are visible for now, and if I want to hide any column, I'll just click on the settings sign over there and hide it. So now that column is hidden. This is one way to hide a column, and when you go on the three dots, so you can see these are all the columns I have created for the board, and the tick marked ones are the only ones which are seen for now, and the rest are hidden. So these are the hidden ones. When I click on them, if I want them to be seen, I'll click on them, and then the tick marked ones will be seen now. And you can see over here they are all there. And then when I don't want them, I can go back over there and click over there, and they will be hidden again. And then I'll go back, and then the dots you can see on the right hand side, you just have to click on them and then drag it. So this will change the positioning of the column. You can change the positioning, and then you can just change and drag and drop. You will see that it is changed over here also. Like this, you can use the column visibility function, and you can use it for different purposes, like hiding and unhiding any column, or also changing the position, rearranging the column numbers. This is one function of Hoiko, and then I will be teaching you more about different functions of Hoiko in different videos. Stay tuned to know more. Thank you.